Mahatma Gandhi left behind not only a speech, but several historic moments where his words defined the struggle for Indian independence. The most emblematic is the Leave India speech, delivered on August 8, 1942, in Bombay. First. In this call for mass civil disobedience against British rule, Gandhi coined his most famous slogan, "Do or die, karo ya maro." Here I give you a mantra, a short mantra. You can engrave it on your hearts and express it with every breath. The mantra is, do or die. We shall liberate India or die trying, we shall not live to see the perpetuation of our slavery. Strategy, he insisted that freedom could only be achieved through nonviolence, ahimsa, fostering unity between Hindus and Muslims. Second. A speech on the eve of the Salt March, 1930. Before embarking on his 380 kilometers walk to Dundee to protest the British salt tax, Gandhi spoke about the legitimacy of his cause. Key point, I have faith in the righteousness of our cause and in the purity of our weapons. Where the means are clean, God is undoubtedly present. A symbolic act, upon reaching the shore and collecting a handful of salt, he declared, with this, I am shaking the foundations of the British Empire. Tear. Plea before the court, 1922. During his trial for sedition, Gandhi delivered a speech that is considered a masterpiece of political ethics. Content, he admitted to having preached disaffection toward a government he considered exploitative, stating that non-cooperation with evil is as much a duty as cooperation with good. Phrases and principles. His speeches often incorporated these fundamental concepts. Satyagraha, the force of truth or passive resistance. Peace, there is no path to peace, peace is the path. Humanity, live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if the world were to last forever. Would you like to read the full text or any of these specific speeches? Mahatma Gandhi, the weapon of nonviolence. Once you understand these things, you will forget the differences between Hindus and Muslims. The resolve that is set before you. What was the Salt March? Mahatma Gandhi. It was one of the demonstrations led by Mahatma Gandhi, held between March 12 and April 6, 1930. This march. Mahatma Gandhi's speech on the eve of the Gandhi March, Sal. I believe there are men in India capable of completing the work I have begun. I have faith in the righteousness of our cause and in the purity. Gandhi Ashram at Sabarmati. To delve into just one, the most transcendental is undoubtedly the Quit India speech, delivered on August 8, 1942. This speech is historic because it marked the beginning of the end of British rule. Here is a summary of its most important points. The mantra, do or die. Gandhi was not seeking a common passive protest, but absolute determination. His exact words were, here is a mantra, a short mantra that I give you. The mantra is, do or die. We will liberate India or die trying, we will not live to see the perpetuation of our slavery. The condition, strict nonviolence. Despite the urgency of freedom, Gandhi was adamant that he would not accept hatred. No hatred of the enemy, I have no feelings of hatred toward the British. In fact, I have no hatred toward anyone. He explained that victory had to be won through self-sacrifice and truth, not through the blood of the adversary. The goal, true democracy. Gandhi envisioned an India where power did not pass from one elite to another, but to the people. He declared that the freedom he sought was not just for the Indian National Congress, but for all 400 million inhabitants, regardless of their religion, insisting on unity between Hindus and Muslims. Quick context, hours after this speech, Gandhi and almost all the Congress leaders were arrested, but his words had already ignited a spark of civil disobedience, which the British couldn't extinguish. Would you like me to share the full text of this speech, or would you prefer to analyze its subsequent political impact?